let me go, I need some air, and I'm not ready to get it off my chest. Push and pull, momentary, adorable. I said my last word and it is probably best. Oh, come on girl, do you need to know? 'Cause now's not the time to question, no. You steal my breath, pretend you didn't hear, and we can just stay right here. But it occurred, smell the hurt. With clothes off is a place to start. Your body moves faster than your racing heart. Girl, let me open your suitcase up. Oh, come on girl, I need you now. You know I don't mean it when my clothes are on. Show me out, find the door. Not like I ain't been here before. Let me hold you in my arms tonight. Let me go before I drown. Let me hold you in my arms tonight. You shoot me up before I'm down. Before I'm